You are making an offer on a home and the home has multiple offers and you want to do everything you can to strengthen your offer position. There are a lot of things you can do besides just increasing the price. Now, obviously, price is an important consideration. Many sellers do want the highest price they can possibly get. But there does come a point where they've got so many offers so far above list price and it so far exceeded their expectations of what they thought they were going to get anyway. Now they want really clean terms. So can you shorten your inspection period? Many times we do not need a full 10-day inspection period. Depending on what you're needing to have done, you might be able to get everything done within 5 days. Can you increase your earnest money? Or can you offer to pay above the appraised value if the appraisal comes in lower than the contract price? Or could you offer a portion of non-refundable earnest money? There's several other things that you could consider, such as escalation clauses and a number of things that we could discuss with you to help you put together a strong offer without always just going higher in price. We'd love to have that conversation with you.